Hello student, in this video we have created two infeed ads. So click on home and then go to ads. After that click on infeed ads. So I have clicked on infeed ads. In this area you have paste your website, your URL, and Google suggests your recommended infeed ad. And in this area you have create ad style manually. So we have created ad style manually. So click on manually and then choose your ad style, image on the side, title above, and text only. So we have choose this ad and click on next. After that you have see an ad sample. So from the right side you have customize your ad. So first we have change the font. So the EL is font, and you have also choose your background color. So we have choose our background color, so the background color will be changed. Insufficient contrast with some font colors, so it is not suggest. Choose this color and the color will be changed from this area. Then you have change your borders. The borders will be changed, and from that area you also change your image style, ratio, width, for example 50. So image will be less, and from this area you will be change your headline, long or short. It will be short. From this area you will be change ears, orientation, in center, right side and left side. You also change your text colors. Color will be changed. From here you will be change the description. That you will also change your color. That color we will choose. Color will be changed, and we also bold it. It will be bold. URL. You also change your URL color. So first we have bold it, and then we will have change its color, so that the color will be changed. And you also change your button style, font color will be changed, and border color also change. And then click on save and get code. First you write your ad name, ad for GOVT test, and save and get code. So then you have copy the code and paste it in your WordPress or in your Blogger website. Thank you for watching this video.